At this project, about 950 cubes are manufactured per month on an ongoing basis. Their clientele is mostly cane, mac, pasture farmers who buy from them. That is now about 90 to 95% of this production is going there, and then the balance is being bagged for sales to like home gardeners, etc., and for lawn dressing in bags of 40 kilos. Okay, this compost turner was made in 2016-17. Really been working hard and long and etc. This farmer has just ordered a second one because his project is going so well, and it has been delivered, and it looks like it will be put into work within the next week or so. The skeleton on top of this compost turner is for a microbial tank if you want to add microbes etc. to your compost mix.